Hello everyone. Today I went to farmer market and we bought fish and vegetables and the result of delicious soup. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. Let's dive in the kitchen. So I got these two fish and the scale are very tender, so I decided to leave it home. So I make an incision and remove the inner, and now this is the key that I show you now, that you need to take these blood lines out, because if you don't, it has a very fishy smell. The same thing on top right there. I take the two pieces of blood out there as well. So after that, I wash with salt and lime, rub them, and then now I cut into pieces. So now is your choice. You can leave it whole, or you can make it half, or you can make it small pieces like I do. Then after that, I marinate it with fish sauce, salt and pepper. Very simple marinade. And these are the vegetables will go into the soup. Dill, cilantro, green onion, cherry tomato, and star fruits. And these are aromatic ingredients: garlic, ginger, shallot. Now after I wash this, I will cut like a 2-3 inches long. For the white parts of the green onion, I shred it so that when you put in the soup, they look nice. For the star fruit, if you can buy the one that the sour, it will good for the soup. The sweet, there are two kinds of star fruit. One is sweet and one is sour. The one is sweet is good for eating raw, or you make jam, or you dehydrate. But if you cook, you should get the sour one, because it adds the tartness for the soup. I also use a lime to get the juice out and put in the soup. But if you have the sour star fruit, it will be the best. Now I chop up the garlic, ginger, shallot, and white part of green onion. All those things will go into the oil to make it fragrant, so that the soup never has fishy smell. So I use the pan here for it's wider, so that you can have a better look. I heated the oil hot enough, and now I fry the fish. When you drop the fish in, just leave them alone until you feel that after a few minutes, you feel that or you test it, the bottom of the fish is golden, then you can drop the aromatic ingredients. garlic, ginger, shallot, white pepper, green onion, and then you can flip your fish. This is the little tidbit from me to you. When you fry the fish, you don't move them around. Just leave it so that it works themselves. Now, my fish already golden both sides, so I drop in cilantro roots and stalks. By the way, I have the written recipe in the description box below. If you want to see how much ingredients, so you can read there. So I drop in my tomato first, and then star fruit, and let it cook for a few minutes. You can see it's look cooked now. So I season with salt, pepper, fish sauce, and I add the lime. I said to you before, I squeeze a lime. So at this point, you already remove all the scum that rises on the surface. And now, after you season, you taste, and if you like, you can add more seasoning, or you want a little sweet, like if you are in Mekong Delta of Vietnam, people in that region, they like sweet food, then you will add sugar, but I don't. Now it's done, so I drop my onion, green onion, white onions, and dill and cilantro, and that's it. We are ready to eat. So I cooked the noodle, bring the pot of water to the boil, and drop in the noodle and wait for them to cook. And I take this out, and if you like, you can rinse under the water, or because you put into your soup right away, so you don't want to, you fine. Now let me present into the bowl, and we're ready to eat. I take opportunity to say thank you for stopping by, watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, so that everybody knows about my videos. A lot of tips and tricks. I have a passion for food, gardening, and everything in between. If I know anything, I will share them with you here. So please subscribe. That's show your support to me. Thank you. Now I think that my bowl colorful enough, and I laid on the hot broth over. Smells so good, and I tasted the broth earlier, and it's so good. I can't wait to dive in. And this is my not spicy pepper, so I put it here for the look. So I invite you to eat this soup with me. This is very healthy and delicious and good soup. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.